Hello everyone. Now, once we know the variable here, we will know what are the data types in that Python. So data types are different type of the data types are there. If we want to know any data type, then we can simply write the type of data. It will show you all the type of data, right? So let me clear the screen and run the command. You can see name was string, it's showing str. Age was int, it's showing int, and height was float, and is student is the true false, it's a boolean. So by this we can know the type. So by this we can know the type. But many times there is no need to know the type. We have to run the application, and once we declare the variable, we means during the practice we can know that the word the variable and how we can declare. Sometimes it is not necessary to declare the variable, only assign the value to the variable, right? And here also I would like to tell you that declaration of variable is simple, but there is no need to define the type of variable, right? So this is the data type.